This isn't the weird type of thing that might be reverse thread, is it?
It is German. You can Google it.
Can't see that. Not on 97.
Well, it's like not budging. And I don't want to put too much pressure on it and f it up.
Can I try?
Yeah, go for it. Like, I'm not putting much pressure on it, but...
Yeah. I like the funk a lot better. I like the funk a lot better.
Maybe that's just me.
Ta-da!
Alright. Holy shit. Oh, the washer just fell off. Damn.
Get to dig through the pile now.
Oh, pretty much. I know more or less.
That oil was totally changed recently.
No.
Just like he said.
That's, well, that or he's from Parnelli Jones.
Also, is it just
also
weird? Is it
possible.
just out of there like really fast and now it's done?
No, it's done. I think it was because it's kind of like tubed on the bottom.
Oh, weird.
Like,
Holy
the
crap.
hole,
It's
and kind of like
massive.
held it sideways and it made it like a wave.
A little bit.
Yeah. Gonna have a look.
No, you definitely have to go in from the top for that oil filter.